This is the Heidts Mustang II Crossmember. I got this installed in my 1964 Ford Falcon sedan. It's pretty easy to, well, I didn't feel like it was that hard to put it in. The instructions are really nice, like real informative. I had it on I built like a chassis table when I put this in. Right now it's on a rotisserie. I'd recommend having it at least on like all level and on jacks and stuff when you're putting it in, but I had the whole car the way I wanted it to sit. But it's on the rotisserie now, so I can spin it around and clean everything up and do what else I need to do. It didn't come with these motor mounts. I actually got those off Amazon and modified them to fit. I think Heidts has motor mounts and stuff you can buy as well, but I didn't. Well, that's it. I don't know what else you guys want to see. In the comments you can write whatever other videos. It's my first time doing YouTube, so I don't really know what I'm doing.